Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. I am back with another video for the Newsrun, and this one, you guys, is really simple. I've seen a lot of recipes for bulletproof coffee on YouTube and other social media sites, but not a lot of bulletproof chais, so that's what we're doing today. I'm just using the spices that I like, cinnamon and cardamom, but you guys can mix and match, add some ginger, add some cloves if you want, and then also just using the butter, but you can also replace this with coconut oil should you want to stay plant-based. And I'm using some xylitol as well, just as a sweetener. That is completely optional. This is a really great recipe. It's great for anybody on a ketogenic protocol, or if you just want to start your day with fat first. Also, I use this because I can't actually have cream. Have you whipping cream? So the butter is a great substitute for that as well. It's a great recipe. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I will talk to you again really soon. Goodbye.